Most welcome, dear friends. This is the first video of this course, and if you are watching this video, it has only one reason. And what can be the reason? Because you want to learn HTML and CSS like a professional or like an expert. Yes, this is exactly the result. So maybe you have searched a lot for a complete course on HTML and CSS and still you are searching. So after taking this course, you don't need to search for any course on HTML and CSS because this course can give you all you need to learn inside HTML and CSS. So let me tell you something which is very important. If you really want to learn HTML and CSS like a professional, then you can take this course, because inside this course you are going to learn HTML and CSS from 0 to 100. Everything you need to learn inside HTML and CSS you can find inside this course. And now that you have decided to take this course, I'm just really happy to have you inside this course, because you are going to learn the most advanced level skill on HTML and CSS. After completing this course, you will have an advanced level skill on HTML and CSS. And after completing this course, you can create your own wish website, and any kind of website you will create, the website will be totally responsive and mobile friendly. Now we are going to just discuss about HTML, because we are going to discuss about CSS in the second section of this course. So first we are going to discuss about HTML. So here HTML. What is HTML? HTML is hypertext markup language, popularly used by developers to design websites. So HTML is a hypertext markup language and it is used for just designing website. Very easy. It is the language for www, or you can say World Wide Web. It is used for building websites that can be as large as a corporate website or as small as a single web page, like classroom project. So by using HTML, you can just create a very big website. Corporate website is called a very big website. So like if you just take the example of Facebook, Google, or YouTube, so these websites are just we can say that they have used some HTML inside these big websites just on the time of creation, and you can just use HTML to create a web page, just like classroom project. So this is just very simple. Hypertext markup language, it means HTML was introduced in 1990. And the latest version of HTML is HTML5, and it was introduced in 2012. The HTML document has .html extension. So while you are saving the HTML document, after giving a name, you need to give .html extension. You are going to just learn all this. So what is the requirement to work on HTML? So there is no requirement. You must have a software like Notepad that we have inside every computer, Notepad++, that I'm just going to send you this software, Dreamweaver, and any other code editor if you are using. So but we are using Notepad++ inside this course. I'm just going to send you this, and you can just download from the resources section. So in the section, what we have inside this course: HTML5 complete course. It means you will learn A to Z about HTML5 and A to Z about CSS3. That is why it's called CSS3 complete course. So we have some projects. First we are going to create some basic projects like horizontal menu, drop down menu, image gallery with lightbox effect, modern responsive websites, not websites. It means we are going to create many websites inside this course, and more responsive website. That's why it's called websites. It means we are going to create many websites inside this course, and the websites will be mobile friendly and totally responsive. So what is responsive layout? So we have discussed about layout. So as I told, responsive layout is called mobile friendly, a website that should be run on mobile, on tablet, on just laptop, on desktop. You will just create a responsive layout that should run on mobile, on tablet, or you can say laptop and desktop. This is called responsive layout. So we are just going to end this video here. So if you really want to learn HTML and CSS like a professional, so I'm just going to recommend this course for you. Inside the next lecture, we will come back and we are going to discuss how to download the code editor, I mean Notepad++, how to download and install. So have a nice time and see you inside the next lecture.